Hello everyone and welcome. Today I would like to talk about product of array except self. I'll be using prefix and suffix products technique. Let's take a closer look at this. This question provides you a nums integer array, asks you to return an answer array such that answer I is equal to the product of all the elements of nums except nums I. Importantly, you must write an algorithm that runs in ON time and without using the division operation. How do we solve this question? Since we cannot use the division operation, one way to solve this question is to use the left product and right product for numbers I and times them together. For example, when I equals to 4, nums I is 5, and the left product is the product of those numbers to the left of nums I, and the right product is the product of those numbers to the right of nums I, and we tie them together. And we can do this programmatically. In this code here, the left product initially will be 1 since there's nothing to the left of the first item, and the left product multiplied by nums I to keep track of this left product. Similarly, for the right product, we do this for loop reverse way, and the right product times nums I to track the right product, and then answer I times the left product and right product, and then finally we return the answer array. So this is the solution to this question, and it has a time complexity of ON since we use two independent non-overlapped for loops, and the space complexity is O1 since we use a constant space variable here, excluding the output array size. With the background introduced, let's write the code. So in this question, we will first of all use the n to track the size of the nums array, and then initialize the answer array as 1 of the size of n. And then first of all, the left product will be 1, and we do a for loop to complete the answer based on the left product. So I in range n answer I times equal to left product, and then update the left product by times itself with nums I, and then the right product the same is going to be 1, and for I in range n minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, and the same here, answer I times equals right product and right product, then updated to be itself times nums I, and finally we return answer. And that's the code for this question. Now let's test this code to see how it works. We submit the code, it's pending, judging, and done. It has pretty good performance and pass all the tests. So finally, we'll analyze the code for complexity. So as mentioned, the code has time complexity of ON since we use two for loops here, and the space complexity O1 extra space since we use only constant space variable here, excluding the answer output array size. And that's all for this question. I hope you find this video to be useful. Please feel free to subscribe for more videos, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.